Welcome back, guys, to this next video to identify your skill set which is required for your job or to your industry. Okay, so and I guess by this time you guys having your list, where one list having all the things which you want, interested thing which you want to learn, and second list will be having all the list of the things which you want to do as an activity. Now the guys, the real quest is to identify what is your skill among those interested things. Okay, but before going towards it, very much we have to understand what is meant by skill. Okay, we are using that term many times, right? Ample of times, but are we knowing that what is meant by skill, a literal meaning of it? Okay, the skill is nothing but ability to do something very well. Okay, very well, guys, and on time, and in a very minimum amount of time you're able to deliver the best of the result. Then we can say that particular task or particular thing, okay, as in your skill. Let me do one more, tell you one important thing as well, guys. Okay, there are some skills which we have, which every human being have by its birth. We are calling it as a natural skill. Yes, there are some skill which are inborn in every one of us. Okay, but just that we are not recognizing them, or we are not able to use them into our jobs. And it happens as well because you don't get the time, or don't get the chance, okay, to use those skills, natural skills, into your real industrial areas, right? Or maybe into your corporate careers, right? Or into anything which you are doing currently. Then are there a possibility to learn a new skill? Yes, there are a possibility to learn a new skills as well. And these new skills we can develop using number of steps. Okay, but before that, we have to identify those skills into your areas. As we say, we have to find out the skill set required into particular to your area. So what are the steps to identify those skill set? Okay, the first step, okay, is to identify what is the current trend which are going into your industry. So let me give you some of the steps which, if you can follow for 1 or 2 months, you will come to know, okay, about all the trends which are currently into your industry. First thing you have to do is to join some online forum which is related to your industry. Okay, go there, read at least one post, okay, daily. You have to do it daily, maybe into the morning, maybe into the night. You have to read it once. Okay, after that, just try to give one comment, or you can ask a question onto that thread. Okay, the next thing, you can go into the next day or the same day, you're going to join some webinar of that forum, or you can join some free webinar on Saturday, Sunday. You can go personally there, but yeah, as it is a COVID-19 situation, right, you can go and join all the online webinars they have. This way you can easily find out all those trends which are currently going into the industry. Okay, once you identify all those trends, just write each and every interesting thing which you are interested into your list, the list which you want to learn and the list which you want to do, right? Then start taking a time to take out each and every interested thing from there. Okay, and try it by yourself, whether you are able to do that thing or not, whether it creates interest into you or not, right? Whether you are able to do those things in particular period of time or not, whether you have that quest to learn it or not. So that's the easy way to identify the skills from your current industry. So whatever I am talking about, these are all, you might be finding out these are little bit technical or kind of hard skill. Yeah, those are a hard skill, because there are some steps which will be given by any industry, okay, by your manager, by your leaders, or you can even identify which are easily learnable, right? You can learn those things stepwise and you can get that skill into you. Maybe let me give an example. If you want to be a programmer, right, you can learn step by step what are the programming language you want to learn, right? There are some steps, standard steps, and you will be having that skill for sure if you have the capability to learn that, and if you invest some time into that. Okay, but are there any skills which are little bit very hard to learn and which little bit very hard to teach as well? Yes, and beyond these hard skills, these skills are very much important in any industry, and these skills are a soft skills. Yes, what are the soft skills? Actually, why soft skills are very important? Because they are showing your personal traits. Okay, it's showing your ability to perform in all the scenarios, all the use cases which we can take, and all the difficulties. Okay, because that's why soft skill includes lot many things where you have to work in a collaborative environment and get the work done together. Okay, so that's why I'll say this soft skills have very different level in any industry, and if you have them, you can definitely achieve the goals which you want into your industry. Now this is very important to identify all those skills, soft skills, which you are lagging into. Let me give you the list of those all soft skills. Like maybe a communication skills are there, collaboration with the team. After that, leadership, flexibility. There are ample of them, and most important is an emotional intelligence. Okay, with that, a time management as well, I can say as a soft skill, because everyone is having their strategy to manage their time. So I think it's very important to understand how to manage your time as well and deliver the result in specific amount of period, right? So I can say it's a soft skill, and but among them, I will say the foundation of all the soft skill is an emotional intelligence. If you have that, like what is emotional intelligence? It's a big at all. We can say it's itself a very big topic, right? But I can tell you in a one line that if you have ability to control your emotion in all kind of situation, you are emotional intelligent. Yes, you are. And I know there are a lot of aspect of it which we can talk later on, but first of all, understand the difference between hard skill and the soft skills, guys. So hard skills are a technical skill which you can easily learn step by step from your leaders, from your manager, or any manual, or some training, right? So they can easily be they are easily teachable, easily learnable. But a soft skill required emotional intelligence to learn it very thoroughly, and I will say everyone have their perspective to learn it as well. Okay, so we cannot standardize that emotional I'm able to learn everything about every aspect of the soft skill, because everyone have a different perspective to see towards it. Everyone cannot have same kind of soft skill, right? It is a very subjective thing, the how you perceive it and how you use it. Okay, so that's how we can say hard skill and soft skills which you have to develop, which you have to identify. Okay, and you have to work onto that. So I will suggest you just write this two skills into your list which you want to learn. Okay, and if you guys want to learn more onto the soft skills, okay, you can join my free course. The link of it will be there into the description, so click onto that, subscribe there, sign up there. I will say, because if you are already not subscribed to YouTube channel, so I will urge you to subscribe it here. And if you're watching this onto the Facebook or onto the YouTube, I will urge you to click onto the link which is there onto the description to sign up for the course which is having all these soft skills as well. I have tried to teach you there as well. So go ahead and sign up there. So thank you very much, guys. So I hope you will going to write all your hard skills and soft skills which you want to develop, and all the best for that. So see you into the next video. Goodbye until. Thank you.